Hey, it's Whitney, and it is an exciting day today. It is the release of Tombow's latest VIP box, and it's pretty awesome. I haven't even opened this up, but I kind of have an idea of what's in it. And it's perfect timing because my Journal U course launches today. And this is going to go perfectly with it. So I'm going to switch over to the overhead view and unbox everything and show you what I got. I haven't touched any of it, so I'm kind of excited right now. Alright, so another beautiful box. Oh my gosh. It's wrapped. Alright, September 26th, it says not to share, so that is why I waited till today. So you guys, Tombow are just the best. Alright, so here is the little box. Alright, the fun time. Yes, this is what I've been waiting for, seriously. Fudenosuke color pens. So that is the main thing that everybody was so excited about, and I've been wanting these ever since I started with the Fudenosuke regular black pens, but now they have all different colors, so I can't wait to try them out. Also get the mono drawing pens, which I needed a refill of, the 1 tip 3 and 5, which are some of my favorite just plain black writing pens, and a dot grid journal. How perfect is this? So here is the drawing pens. These are perfect for journal writing. They rarely ghost. These are the guys everybody's been waiting on. These are the Fudenosuke color pens. So again, these are brush pens. And we're gonna make some designs on the box. So this is the, they do have the color there. They have BH, so that must be a hard tip. 25 red is what it says here. So. Yay! That is all the colors there. There are 10 different colors, and they're all beautiful, and they write beautifully. So seriously, Tombow, you read our minds here. So thank you so much. This is the best. And I haven't even gotten to the dot journal yet. So the last thing is this, and this is super cute. It says create your best work with beautiful lettering on there. I will go ahead and get it open. It is by Tombow. It's a dot grid journal, 160 dot grid pages, 90-gram bright white paper, and a foil stamped linen cover. So this thing's gorgeous. You can only get all this stuff in the VIP box right now if you order it. They do have a limited supply and are completely sold out once they're sold out. And if you want any of the other products, they will be available separately. It's just we don't know when. So can't get them yet unless you order this box. But let's see, they do have the page, and this is white paper. So all the journals that I have right now are kind of an off-white paper, but this is a beautiful white dotted paper, and it is an A5 size. Of course, I need to check and see if it works with the door hanger. Let's see. It sure does. So the lines, that lines up right at the top and right at the bottom. And this is a beautiful new A5 journal, and I cannot wait to begin this one. So I'll probably finish mine up and maybe start this one for the new year. I also want to tell you guys about the new course. Like I said, this could not have come at a better time. All right, so something else super special about today is the release of Journal U. This is a course that I have been working on for the past I mean, it's been in my head for forever, but I've finally put it into fruition and started working on it a few months ago, and that's where I've been, is just putting all my efforts into this to help you learn exactly my process and see everything I've learned in the past over 2 years of doing this whole journaling thing. It has changed my life, literally gotten everything organized for me, and I want to teach you everything that I've learned so far. And this is an ever-growing course. So right now, this is the minimum that you're going to get in the course. I will constantly be adding things, and I will be updating you with everything. You can definitely check it out in the link in the profile. And if you use YouTube 10, you can get $10 off. So be sure to check it out. Even if you've started a journal, you can still get started on your next journal through the Kickstart Challenge. And it's a perfect time to do it here right before the new year begins, so you can kind of get some practice in and see what you like and dislike. So anyways, enough. I am so excited about these feud pens. You can guarantee that I'm going to be using these a ton in the next, like, forever, because I use the black ones all the time, so this is just perfect. So I appreciate it, Tombow, and thank you guys so much for watching. And please, if you like this kind of stuff, subscribe. I will be on here a little bit more now that I'm kind of done with the course, but I hope to see you there too. It is Journal You, and you can check it out in the link in my profile. See you guys later. Bye.